What you learned about physics in school, that's just the surface. Somewhere out there, a trip of 1 billion light years takes 1 second. Somewhere out there, it rains diamonds, and those diamonds melt into an ocean. Sounds impossible. It's not. Let's go see it. 2 stops today. First, wormholes. Einstein thought space itself could fold in half, turning a billion light year trip into a single step. Then we head to Jupiter and Saturn, where storms bigger than Earth are quietly manufacturing the most expensive hailstorm in the universe. Get a drink, get comfortable. I'm handing this over to the cosmic telescope. Subscribe if you want more of this. Let's go. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. Nothing outraces it. And yet, at that speed, just crossing our own galaxy would take over 100,000 years. We're not just far from other galaxies. We're boxed inside our own, unless there's a shortcut. In 1935, Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen proposed something radical. Space isn't empty, it's a fabric, and fabric can bend and fold. Fold it far enough, and 2 distant points touch. That fold is a wormhole. Its entrance could be in this room, its exit 1 billion light years away. Here's the catch. On paper, wormholes work. In practice, they're violently unstable. The instant anything, even a single photon, enters, gravity slams the tunnel shut and crushes it into a black hole. Keeping the door open would take exotic matter, a substance with negative mass. We've never observed it, but mathematically, nothing rules it out. Here are some more facts about wormholes. Wormholes and black holes are not the same thing. A black hole pulls everything inside and has an event horizon. A wormhole is a tunnel with 2 entrances. Sometimes the entrance to a wormhole might look like a black hole, but that is merely a hypothesis. They can serve as a gateway to the past. Some mathematical models show that if one end of a wormhole is moved at nearly the speed of light, a time difference can arise between the 2 ends. Theoretically, this opens up the possibility of time travel. The biggest problem is stability. Even if humanity were to discover a wormhole someday, it is currently unknown whether it could be made stable and safe enough for human passage. Interesting, isn't it? Now let's move on to something even more fascinating happening in our solar system, specifically rain and hurricanes made of real diamonds. Now, closer to home, Jupiter and Saturn, gas giants with no solid ground to stand on, just churning hydrogen, helium, and methane. They look dead. They're not. Deep inside, they're running a chemistry experiment that would make an alchemist weep. Storms as wide as entire continents rage non-stop. Lightning, thousands of times stronger than anything on Earth, rips methane molecules apart, freeing pure carbon. That carbon starts to fall. The deeper it goes, the more the pressure builds, until soot compresses into graphite. And graphite, under enough weight, becomes diamond. Chunks of it falling like hail for thousands of kilometers. So today you learned about wormholes, potential portals between dimensions, as well as a diamond vein in our solar system and how it all works. Wild, right? A fold in space that could put a star system next door, a planet that turns lightning into gemstones. This is the universe doing what it does when nobody's watching. So, comments, wormhole first or diamonds first? Like it, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.